lovelies, and come back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share about some of the vaginal problems, some of the intimate care problems, some of the back and bump problems. If you have the problems like rashes, darkness, dullness, acne, scars and many more problems, even smells as well, so you have to watch this video till the end because I have treated these problems for my own, but I haven't shared these problems to my mom or to my sister. Yeah, I treat my problems myself. So if you want to know my experience at the products that I have used for myself to treat my problems, then please keep on watching. So in this world, the woman hygiene is treated to be like what? Job. You don't have to speak loud. But why? It's a common thing. It's a common thing, right? So in today's video I'm going to share about all my experiences, all my products as well. So yeah, I'm very happy that I have choose this brand to treat my problems, and I'm very thankful to this brand. The brand I'm talking about is the Senfe. Yes, so I have a lot of products. I have used a lot of products on daily basis as well, and I just fall in love with these products, and these are my holy grail products. And I just love this brand so much, so much, that I would love to do a video for you. Problems that I face for myself on my vaginal area and on my back and bump area, those are the acne and rashes. I just hate rashes. Rashes, गर्मियों में every day I just feel like, oh, what is that? Even I cannot walk, even I just cannot walk. So I was like, okay, I need to treat this. Okay, let me do it. Even I use many of the Ghरेलू nuskhas, but again and again it happens again to me just because of sweating, and I used to do a lot of exercises and all that stuff. So the brand Senfe helps me to treat the problems. So let me talk about the products that I bought for myself. So I do have two packages. One package is this one and one package is this one. These products that I have tried, and these are also so good, but if you want to know about those products, then you need to watch my another video. The first product is this one. This is how the outer packaging looks like. I just love the outer packaging. This color is me, this color is me. Yeah, and even this product smells so good even through the packaging, because I love this. It is filled with lemon and mulberry. The fragrance of mulberry is so good. It is so refreshing, so good, even through the packaging as well. I just loved it. When I opened this parcel, I was like, what I'm smelling? What I'm smelling? Yeah. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. Just look at the packaging. Is so sexy, hot and sleek, and it is very travel friendly because the cap of these are very tight. So if you are traveling, so खुलने का डर बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. You can see I'm doing, थोड़ा सा प्रेशर लगा के आपको इसको बंद करना पड़ेगा, and you will hear the sound of tick, which means it is properly closed, and product waste होने का कोई भी chance नहीं है. So let's talk about this product. So it is the Senfe Intimate Lightening Serum, bright and beautiful inside out, lemon and mulberry. So इसमें आपको मिल जाता है 50 gram, and it costs you about ₹700. So it is filled with the extracts of a lemon and mulberry. Lemon gives you that a lightening effect. Lemon gives you that lightening effect, and it does give you that even tone skin. It is 100% organic. It is plant-based formulation. It is dermatologically tested. It is safe to use on your vagina and bump area. It does not have any kind of side effects, which is great, and it is very lightweight. It is non-sticky. It is very, if you have dark patches, acne, all that things, that you need to try this out because this is so good. Okay, texture. So it is a serum. Just look at the consistency. It is very thick, but it is very lightweight. It is non-sticky. It is very smooth in texture, in the sense, wow, it is very smooth, and it is lightweight in texture, and it is non-greasy, so good. Like, it is very watery kind of texture, and it absorbs into my skin so quick. like it is non-sticky, which is great, and it is very fast absorbing, like 50% is absorbed into my skin. Wow. And it smells so good. इसकी जो fragrance है वो बहुत टाइम तक last long करती है, and I feel so good by using these things. Okay, recommended. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इश्यूज है ना, यू नो एक्नेस, रैशेस, पिम्पल्स एंड डार्कनेस, डलनेस एंड ऑल दैट थिंग्स, अगर आपको पीरियड्स के बाद भी नो स्मेली फील होता है, पीरियड डेज में काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्मेली फील होता है, सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक दिस आउट बिकॉज द फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ दिस गिव यू अ वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग feeling, very refreshing feeling. I feel so good. You can already tell from my face because I just love the fragrance of this. If you don't like the mulberry and lemon, so you can definitely check that products जो मैंने आपको लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है, so you can definitely check that out because those products are so good. Even the fragrance is so good, like peaches, you know, peaches. So these products are very authentic and plant based. So आपको आपको यूज़ करना पड़ेगा अबाउट अ मंथ फॉर दैट बेटर इफेक्ट्स. आपको एकदम से कोई भी प्रोडक्ट अगर आप यूज़ करते हो तो उसके इफेक्ट्स जानने के लिए आपको उसे अबाउट 1 महीना तो यूज़ करना ही पड़ेगा. सॉरी for my bad throat. Okay, so let's talk about this creme. It is 100% organic and plant-based formulated. It is lightweight in texture. It is non-greasy and it is 100% organic. It is sulfate-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free. So you can definitely check this out. It treats your dark spots, dullness, acne. It does contain pure nomi and lemon. It does blur out your dark spots, dullness, and if you have a dark patchy skin, so you can definitely check this out because it is so good, and lemon gives you that lightening effect because it does contain pure nomi and lemon and blur out your dark spots and dullness and dark skin. ये थोड़ी सी mild fragrance है according to that, but that is really good. Even this one is good. So now let's talk about the third product that I have is this one. First look at the packaging, is so nice है ना, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है peach packaging and the color combination and the quality of plastic and is everything is good. It also costs you about 600 and this is about 700. This is about 700 and this is about 700 and this is about 600. Okay. It is Senfe Brightening Intimate Scrub. If you are a person to apply creams on your skin like gels, creams like on your vaginal area, if you need another next level care, so you need to try this scrub as well because this scrub gives you that smooth skin and a lightening effect. So let's talk about this scrub. This scrub is going to remove all the dead skin, all the impurities, all the acne. I just love this scrub so much. It does have very mild particles, very mild particles जो कि आपकी स्किन को ज़्यादा हार्श नहीं करेंगे, आपको लाइंस नहीं आएंगी, आपको कट्स नहीं मिलेंगे because I do use some of the scrub on my face which is very harsh, but this scrub and that scrub in that video, I just love that scrub. That scrub is so good because I just apply onto my skin. It just melt into my skin on my vaginal area, not on my face. I'm just doing it. मुझे आदत है ऐसे करने की. So that scrub is so good. Definitely check that video. Our Senfe products are so good. That range is back and bump skincare. So this is also the back and bump skincare. They do have a lot of skincare products. So if you have a very sensitive skin, if you have very sensitive skin और बहुत ज़्यादा issues होते हैं आपको DIYs करके भी कोई और अगर आपने इतने सारे products try out किए हैं, so definitely check this out.
Because Senfe brand is saying that we are here to treat your problems, so that's why I just go order them and they give me. Okay, that's it. I have used it and that's why I'm reviewing it. Okay, shut up. So leave it. मुझे नहीं बोलना इतना सब कुछ.
So it also contains jojoba seeds which naturally exfoliates your skin. It does not cause any kind of rashes. It also controls your darken skin. जब आप इसे यूज़ करते हो आपको बहुत ही रिफ्रेशिंग फील होता है और जो आपकी डेड स्किन है वो रिमूव हो जाती है. So that's why it also controls your acne, scars, dullness, all that stuff that we all have on our vaginal area. So it is 100% organic. It does not cause you any kind of rashes and any kind of cuts and marks on your skin. Make sure कोई भी आप scrub use करते हो आप उसे कभी भी heavy pressure के साथ use ना कीजिए. It does contain jojoba seeds which naturally cleanse our skin. without any rashes. Yeah, you need to wash it with cold water, or you can use any kind of a cloth to remove this. And you need to try this about, you need to use this about twice or thrice a week if you need a better results. All these products I highly recommend from my side. You need to test out if you need a very nice healthy, intimate areas and free from acne, which is from my side here, which is a big shit from my side, because मुझे भी एक्नेस का प्रॉब्लम होता है, because I do have a lot of hairs. अगर आप वैक्सिंग करते हो, अगर आप अगर आप वैक्सिंग करते हो, अगर आप शेव करते हो, तो आपको पता होगा कि कभी ना कभी जाके आपको स्किन इश्यूज हो जाते हैं, आपको काफ़ी सारे स्किन इश्यूज हो जाते हैं इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग वैक्सिंग, इफ़ यू आर डूइंग शेव और वट एवर यू आर डूइंग. तो आपको पिंपल्स तो होते ही हैं. तो आप सोचते हो कि भैया पिंपल्स का क्या करूँ. कभी कभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े पिंपल्स हो जाते हैं, विच आई डू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो दैट्स वाई जब मैं अपना शेव करती हूँ और ट्रिमर यूज़ करती हूँ, तो मैं डेफिनेटली इन प्रोडक्ट्स को ट्राई ज़रूर करती हूँ, जिसके बाद मुझे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं करनी पड़ती. स्पेशली पिंपल्स, स्पेशली रैशेज, दीज टू प्रॉब्लम्स आर द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट आई फेस whole year, like whole year, especially गर्मियों में, which I really hate. So अगर आपको क्लोथ्स के साथ रैशेस हो जाते हैं, पिंपल्स हो जाते हैं, पैड्स की वजह से पिंपल्स होते हैं या रैशेस होते हैं, तो आप डेफिनेटली आप इसे चेकआउट कर सकते हो, बिकॉज दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर सो गुड एंड मेड फॉर योर इंटीमेट केयर. डेफिनेटली रिकमेंडेड. आपको इनका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. मेरी पहली वीडियो का भी लिंक आपको मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूँगी. सो प्लीज़ गो एंड चेक इट आउट. वी शो यू द अनदर प्रोडक्ट्स विच आई ऑल्सो recommend. Okay, these are the 3 products which I always recommend और मैं डेली रोज़ाना यूज़ करती हूँ. So this is the Sanfe Back and Bump Lightening Serum. Okay, and this is the Sanfe Back and Bump Anti-Cellulite Serum. Okay, and this is the Sanfe Back and Bump Acne Clear Lotion. So अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा एक्नेस का प्रॉब्लम है, so you can definitely check this out as well. Even the packaging is so good. Bottle is really luxurious and smells so good, and it is plant based, formulated. So आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक ऑर्गेनिक केयर मिल रही है. सो दैट्स वाई आई हाईली रिकमेंडेड. एंड आई डू हैव दिस ऑयल. इसमें थोड़ा सा कम यूज़ करती हूँ. आई ऑलवेज यूज़ these products. Okay, so this is the Back and Bump toning oil. Why we use toners? To give them a proper pH balance. Okay, so this is also a very nice product. If you need a mask for your intimate area, so you can definitely check this one. This product is so moisturizing, so damn good. I highly recommend this one. Even the packaging is so nice. आप इसे फेंकना मत because ये packaging भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. This is so good. Let me smell it. जब भी मैं इसे खोलती हूँ ना, I love to smell. Just look at the पैकेजिंग. और आप देख सकते हो मैं इसे काफ़ी बार यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ, और ये बहुत टिनी टाइनी अमाउंट में लगता है, बिकॉज अ लिटिल गोज अ वेरी लॉन्ग वे. सो दैट्स वाई आई हाईली रिकमेंड. इसे मैं अबाउट वीक में वंस अ वीक यूज़ करती हूँ, इन दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स को वंस अ वीक. दैट्स इट. एंड आई ऑल्सो डू हैव द स्क्रब. दिस स्क्रब इज़ सो गुड. जब आप इसे अपनी स्किन पे लगाते हो ना, ये एकदम से मेल्ट हो जाता है आपकी स्किन में. इट डज मेल्ट इनटू योर स्किन सो क्विकली एंड इट एक्सफोलिएट्स योर स्किन. तो आपको क्या होगा, कोई भी रैशेस का डर नहीं, कोई भी एक्ने स्कार्स को और कोई भी डर नहीं है कि आपको एक्नेस हो जाएंगे. आपने स्क्रब यूज़ किया है, ऑल दैट स्टफ. ऐसा कोई इशू नहीं है इसके साथ. सो दिस इज़ 100% सेफ. So you can definitely also check this out if you need this scrub. If you need this scrub, highly recommended. All the products from my side. I do have the face razors. हाँ मैं थक गया बोल के. So I do have the face razor. This face razor is my on the go product, is my holy grail product. मैं सबको यही recommend करती हूँ because this face razor is so good. और मैंने इसे परचेज़ किया था अबाउट जून जुलाई में. सो मैं इसे अब तक यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इट इज़ अ पेयर ऑफ 3. सो अभी मैं फर्स्ट रेज़र ही यूज़ कर रही हूँ बिकॉज इट इज़ सो गुड. बिकॉज एक रेज़र आपको काफ़ी लॉन्ग टाइम तक चलने लग जाता है, बिकॉज मैंने इसे जून जुलाई में लिया था एंड नाउ इट्स दिसंबर. सो डेफिनेटली हाईली रिकमेंड दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड इट इज़ वन टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो डेफिनेटली चेक दिस आउट. अगर आपको ज़्यादा फेशियल हेयर आते हैं मेरी तरह, बिकॉज आई एम अ पालू पर्सन, लाइक पालू. So definitely check this out because this one is so good. इसका जो ब्लेड है वो भी बहुत अलग है. आई हेट दैट ट्विंकल इरेजर्स बिकॉज जब भी मैं उन्हें यूज़ करती थी मुझे कट लग जाता था. मैंने इसे जितनी भी बार यूज़ किया मुझे एक बार भी कट नहीं लगा बिकॉज दीज आर सो गुड. आपकी जो डेड स्किन है वो रिमूव कर देते हैं एंड इट गिव्स यू अ वेरी नेचुरल सॉफ्ट स्किन. नॉट नेचुरल, it does give you a very smooth and soft skin and wow. And yeah, highly recommend this one as well. Highly recommend all the products, so definitely check this out. Highly impressed with this brand. Definitely check this out. Highly impressed, definitely recommended. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do check out my description box, आपको सभी links वहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे. So yeah, till then take care, bye.